G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is February 21, 2023. This is the S&P 500 update. You can see here on the daily chart, we did draw this support and this resistance line, and the price has bounced down from that resistance line since our last update here, and it's continuing ever so slightly to the downside. Now, no major move on the daily, except for you'll notice on the CCI, the moving average 20 of the CCI is bouncing down from the moving average 400. So that's a sign of weakness, and the CCI itself is coming broken down through that moving average 20. On the 4-hour chart, it's retracing back to the moving average on that CCI. You'll notice also the Stochastic is gone up through the overbought and potentially retracing back to the downside. On the hourly chart, you'll notice the CCI did, since our last update, it was trending flat, but it's broken to the downside and more positively, and it looks like a more bearish move to the downside. So there's no sign yet of any retrace to the upside apart from this support line here, but we may see it come back down and trace against this declining trend line in the near term. So just keep an eye on it. Not too strong in terms of bullish at the moment. It's more negative and more bearish. But to understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, reference the playlist in the end of this video, and also some links in the description below. Here are some of my investing rules. Buy proven blue chip stocks only, avoid speculative stocks. The reason for that is blue chip stocks have generally got a good history and a good track record, and you want to avoid going speculative because you're not sure where that stock, especially if it hasn't got any history, you want to avoid making just guesses or gambling on potential trades. Buy stocks which pay dividends. The reason for that is if the price goes against you and you're not closing out according to gaining a profit in the short term, at least you're getting some level of income via dividends. If the stock price goes against you, don't short positions, go long only. So again, similar to the blue chip environment, if you're going to go short, you're basically speculating, and if you are going short and if you have to pay dividends, the dividends will be paid to those traders that are going long. So that'll be just an extra cost in your trade. And don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. If all the insiders have generally benefited from any inside knowledge of the news, and so by the time it hits the websites or the papers, you're getting late on the bus, so you're going to be missing out on any potential gains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button and click the notification bell to get all the updates to the channel. If you want to support the channel, subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.